Are you an aspiring coder, a student, or a seasoned developer looking to practice or execute Python code directly on your iPhone or iPad? Python coding apps, broadly encompassing various titles, aim to provide a portable environment for writing, running, and learning Python 3. I've found these apps incredibly convenient for quick scripting, trying out new concepts, or even tackling coding challenges while on the go. Users often praise features like an offline Python 3 interpreter, syntax highlighting, basic code completion, and sometimes even a package manager for common libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. Many include built-in examples or tutorials to aid learning. However, a common drawback is that many essential features, such as saving files, accessing an unlimited interpreter, or unlocking advanced debugging, are frequently restricted to premium versions, requiring a subscription or in-app purchase. Typing on a small touchscreen can still be cumbersome for larger projects, and the performance for complex scripts might be limited compared to desktop IDEs. Despite these considerations and potential paywalls, for its core promise of enabling Python 3 coding and learning on a mobile device, a well-implemented Python coding app is a valuable and recommended tool. What's your thought?